Hi, Mark Gill here for the Miracle Peeler, the new dual blade peeler that effortlessly peels on one side and easily juliennes on the other. Watch, the ultra sharp peeling blades work in both directions, slicing your prep time in half. Peel just a thin layer of skin from potatoes and veggies with no waste. Quickly and easily peel eggplant in seconds. Even peel carrots in both directions. That's twice the peeling in half the time. Then, with a simple flip, julienne carrots to top a salad, or julienne zucchini for healthy veggie noodles. The secret is the dual German quality stainless steel blades that effortlessly peel veggies on one side and easily juliennes on the other. With a non-slip rubberized grip and blades so sharp you can peel with just 2 fingers. So strong they can peel the skin of this pineapple. Even butternut squash is no match for the Miracle Peeler. Guaranteed to never dull. Tough enough to cut wood, yet precise enough to peel tomato skins so thin you can read through it. Shred cabbage for homemade coleslaw. You can even slice with Miracle Peeler. Hard cheese, soft cheese, any cheese with ease. And it's dishwasher safe. So as a bonus, you'll also get our mandolin slicer attachment free. Just snap in the Miracle Peeler and slice carrots and more directly into a bowl. Complete with veggie holder so you get the very last slice. Sliced potatoes for homemade chips and more. You can even slice toppings for pizza or slice onions for a quick stir fry.